Do you have a scanned document or a template that needs a professional touch? Welcome to Tunor Digital Agency, your trusted partner for high-quality document editing services. In this video, we'll show you how we transform a standard resume template. We start by precisely selecting and replacing images, ensuring every element looks natural and integrated into the original design. Our document editing service focuses on maintaining the original layout while updating key information. Watch as we seamlessly replace the profile photo and adjust the background to match the document's professional aesthetic. Next, we handle the typography. Whether it's changing a name like Elizabeth Carolyn to Christopher John or updating job titles, we match the exact fonts, sizes, and colors to keep the document looking authentic and clean. We don't just stop at names. From updating contact details and addresses to modifying phone numbers, our team ensures every character is perfectly aligned. This attention to detail is what sets our document editing service apart. At Tunor Digital Agency, we use advanced tools to deliver results that are indistinguishable from the original. Whether it's a CV, an invoice, or any business document, we provide fast and reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Need a professional edit? Visit us at tunor.com to explore our full range of services. Let us handle the details while you focus on what matters most. Tunor Digital Agency, precision in every pixel. You can directly contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. All informations are given in the description box. Thank you.